Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to change your email on Twitch in 2025. Whether you're updating for better security, switching to a new provider, or just cleaning up your account, this process is quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Twitch account. If you're not, head over to the Twitch website or app and sign in with your current credentials. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account management page. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Account or Profile section. It's usually one of the first options. Here, you'll see your current email address listed. Look for a button or link that says Change Email, Edit Email, or something similar. Click on that, and a prompt will appear asking for your new email address. Type it in carefully, then hit Save or Submit. Twitch will likely require you to verify your identity at this point, so enter your password or complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. After you submit, Twitch will send a verification email to your new address. Check your inbox. Don't forget to look in the spam folder if it doesn't show up right away. Once you find it, click the verification link provided in the email. And just like that, your email is updated. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes, but it's a great way to keep your account secure and up to date. If you run into any issues, like the email not arriving, try logging out and back in or contact Twitch support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.